Good morning. Is everything working or is everything not working? Sometimes I think we get confused and we think that something isn't working. But in actuality, everything is working. So if you're not getting the results that you want, life is showing you what isn't working to help you or guide you to choose something different, to do something different so that you can get the results that you want. So there isn't anything necessarily wrong. In fact, you never want to think there's anything wrong. So let's ask for healing on that. Uncreate you feeling that you're wrong or making mistakes. You're just being continuously and constantly guided if you're asking. So you can ask for the truth to be revealed to you in what area or way or what do you need to do. So I ask a lot for the truth to be revealed to me, who I am and who I've come here to be in this lifetime. And then I ask for clarity and more power to heal. And then I can say, instead of saying an intention, I mean, I might have an intention, that's okay. But what I'd like is a new possibility. A new possibility. So what is the new possibility or my dream life? What do you want it to be? What do you want your life to unfold as? Experience, feel. How do you want to feel? I mean, some of the times I think it seems like when I work with people is they forget, well, I actually want to feel good in my body and have peace and joy and breathe and be able to express myself and contribute and feel on purpose, right? So how do you want to feel? How do you want your day to be? So I'm here on my veranda having my coffee. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here in Santa Monica. And I just feel so grateful. So I'm grateful for every moment that has brought me to this now moment. And I'm going to choose to uncreate and undo any wrongness of me, that I've done anything wrong. I'm asking this to be uncreated for you. And that you be filled with more light and love and illumination and clarity. And be right here, right now. And then ask. Ask and it is given. So, life is showing you exactly what it needs to show you to help guide you to your next best you. So what do you want to do? What's the new possibility you are going to walk into and choose? And love yourself, my dear, right here, right now. For you're perfectly perfect and you've been doing a great job. If you'd like some guidance, some support, I would love to help you. DM me, reach out, say hello. I will hold your hand and take you to the top of the mountain.